I'm going to put him in here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, so that's this guy. And, whew. Ooh, this one is kind of difficult. It's a difficult. It's a difficult one. That's it. Oh, there's one more. Did not know this one. Didn't see this one. So we got 3 fish. That's good. Maybe it's I just got it. I don't know. It's going to turn up. That's it. So we got 3 fish. Good catch. Oh. Picked up. Maybe like that. Yep. Look at that. It's nice. Maybe I should keep it. No, I thought I was going to retrieve the net today, but it seems like I need to